Alright, so this is the side that already had the air. This one gets a shit ton because it's real close to the unit, so people always have these closed. Normally I'd open it, but I'll make sure it's the only one that's closed, and I'll let them know, don't shut more than one or two of these, you're gonna have issues. So, bathroom one's open. This bedroom, you got a box sitting right on top of it probably. No. Where is this one? It's back here. God damn it, man. You can't set stuff on top of these registers. I don't see one in here. Oh, there it is, right by the door. Okay, so that one's open. Let's see, that one's right there. It's open. This is the side that wasn't getting any air before. Now it's getting good air. Thanks to Matt's screwing and taping. Here's a kind of a fireplace room, den. Oh yeah, it's getting just as much air as the other side, or pretty damn close to it now. Got another one over here, and that one's open, blowing good. Blowing good.
It's covered.
Yeah, well, it should line up here. It's probably here. Don't see it unless it's, I bet it's under this dresser. Oh, probably right here. I could feel, yeah, I can feel the heat from it, so it's open. And bathroom won't have anything, so all right, job done. Let's go put that grill on.